So you can use several methods depending on whether you want a professional mathematical fraction or a quick inline text version. So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the symbols and click on the equations. An equation editor box will be open up. So here you need to type dy backslash dx and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert the fraction. Another way is that you need to click on the insert, click on the symbol, click on the equations. And in the fraction you need to click this small arrow, and here you can see that dy over dx. Click here and click outside, and here it is. Another way is that you need to click on the insert, click on the symbol and click on the equations and click on the fraction and click on this first stacked fraction, and now click inside the box and type dy and click in the second box and type dx and click outside, and here it is. So this is the simple method to type fraction in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.